In this video, I will explain a logical, statistical, and mathematical function of Microsoft Excel called SUMIF. Pay your attention while watching this video to understand the process better. Let's begin. The SUMIF function adds the values in cells that meet a set of criteria or meet a set of conditions. This function is part of the math and try category, and its syntax is as follows. Equals SUMIF, open parenthesis, range, comma, criteria, comma, open bracket, sum range, close bracket, close parenthesis. The part included in square brackets is purely optional. Instructions to follow. Step 1. Select the cell range to be evaluated. This can be a range, a complete column or row, or if you've established one, a named range separated by a comma. Step 2. Type the criteria in quotation marks. A number, cell reference, phrase, or text, followed by a comma, can be used as the criterion. Enter, quotation mark, greater than 100, quotation mark, to obtain the sum of all cells with a value higher than 100, for example. Step 3. Type in the cell references you want to sum. If the cells in the range are left blank, they will be utilized. Step 4. To finish the formula, type a parenthesis, and then press enter. Pick the math and try category on the formulas page, and then select SUMIF. Other possible way to do. 1. Select Insert Function or the Insert Function button next to the formula bar on the Formulas tab. 2. Type SUMIF into the search box. Then choose between Go and Enter. Change the category from Most Recently Used to Math and Trig. 3. From the list of functions, choose SUMIF, and then either OK or Enter. The dialog window for function arguments appears. 4. Type the range of cells you want Excel to assess in the range box. If one has been created, this can be a single number, column or row, or a named range. 5. In the criteria box, specify the criterion that Excel should use to validate the cells. This can be a number, a cell reference, a formula like greater than 100, or plain text. 6. The sum range box is a personal preference. You may choose the range to be average in this box if necessary. 7. To finish the formula, press OK or Enter. This was all from my side to guide you about Microsoft Excel's built-in function called SUMIF. Have you found this video helpful? Tell us in the comments. Also, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon to get more knowledgeable and fact-based videos.